I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your subscription on the Peacock app, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner, to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Subscription. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Subscription or Manage Subscription. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. You should see the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information about what happens after cancellation. Quick gotcha: if you don't see the cancel option, double check that you re-logged into the correct account. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up notifications regarding your cancellation. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.